Chandni lives with her husband and two children. Chandni's husband is a manager in a hotel and earns well. They are living a good life.
You never know time when you're watching TV. Come on, now it's time to eat.
Chandni, you made noodles again?
I prepared another food for you. This noodles is for children.
Okay, but every time noodles is not good for children.
They like only noodles. If I made noodles, they will eat full of stomach. You don't worry, I prepare noodles in home only. It's not trouble for them.
Then all eat dinner.
Chandni, I want to eat burger. Tomorrow you made for me.
We don't have bread in home.
Yesterday only I brought grocery. So many breads in there.
I made noodles from that bread for 1 month.
Okay, I will bring bread tomorrow.
Their children like noodles very much. That's why Chandni used to make different kinds of noodles. Sometimes by adding vegetables, sometimes by adding eggs, and sometimes by adding milk. Next day, Chamku has lost his job.
I lost my job. I don't know how it happened suddenly. I didn't do any mistake.
I know you're honest. Don't worry, you will find some good job.
2 months passed like that. Now there was no food in the Chandni's house. Only little noodles remained. Chandni cooks that noodles. Then an old bird comes there and says to Chandni that
I have come from a long way. I am very hungry. Give me some food.
Chandni feel pity on her. Take noodles, gives to the old bird. She ate noodles and pray for Chandni.
Oh daughter, you will be successful in whatever you do today.
Mama, I'm hungry. Son, I have kept some noodles for you too.
Chandni take noodles and feed their children. Then sees that there is more noodles left in the pot. Then she gave noodles to Chamku. Again there was noodles in the pot. She was very shocked. She ate noodles too. And she takes the noodles on the plate. The noodles does not end up in the pot and keeps coming out. She calls her neighbor children and feed noodles. Noodles does not end up. The 4 birds come there.
Sister, all shops and hotels are closed. We are very hungry. Give us something to eat. We will pay for it.
Chandni give noodles them too. So many birds come to Chandni's house and eat noodles and pay money. The birds who ate noodles, they will go out and tell to the other birds.
I never eat like that noodles. It was very tasty.
Those birds who is hearing going to Chandni's house for eating noodles and they are paid money also. Chandni is shocked. It's happening like a dream. but it's real. Then she realized
That all that happened because of the old bird prayer.
in morning noodles now end. Now Chandni had a money. She buy grocery for home and she buy all thing what she need for made to noodles. From the next day, she set up a noodle stall in front of the house. From that day, all the sufferings of Chandni go away. They open a hotel within a year. Chandni lives happily with her husband and children and continues to help the poor.